For a tasty and irresistible meal, make this pico de gallo shrimp and avocado salad. It is a light and flavorful salad that makes for a perfect dinner. Start by adding the canola oil, heating a non-stick skillet over medium-high heat. Then, add the shrimps, heat, and stir often until fully cooked through. Season with salt and ground black pepper, then add the paste pico de gallo. Place the mixed salad greens in a plate or bowl, then the shrimp mixture over it. Top with the avocado slices and paste pico de gallo, then serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.